it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! Today, we're here with Clymaxx. I feel laugh. Clymaxx, I knew this song was coming. I was just trying to see how long it's gonna take. So for those of you who don't know who Clymaxx is Massacre's baby mother. Sorry. Clymaxx is the same person where Devin the Doctor says a butch. And basically Devin the Doctor says if Jevan sleep with Clymaxx is a butch, look like a man, go like a man, so Massacre can sleep with a man if that's the case. So yeah, that so I think this is Clymaxx defending herself. That's her name, Young Sam Smith. I could jump in it and see what go on, man. Let's go. Clymaxx, Young Sam Smith. I'm taking the Devin Doctor this. Let's go.
Yo, Malik.
Yo. Make up and push me post back up and click. I tap or push you go cock up and breathe. I know you wish you feel fulfill a little body and dream vex you.
She said, me know say, Devin, she knows say, you wish I did you, so you can fulfill your Batman dream. So, she not deny the fact that she's a butch, you know. She's not denying it. But she said she wish, she knows you wish that you, so you can fulfill your Batman dream. Is this Clymaxx and Devin the Doctor on a screen? I think it's them, right? Alright, run it again. Me can't tell you enough cussing I go another one in. So me get ready for laugh. Sorry.
Yo, Malik.
Big up yourself, Clymaxx.
Make up and push me post back up and click. I tap or push you go cock up and breathe. I know you wish you feel fulfill a little body and dream vex 3 crooks like a pan scene so you want see style. Me go run the profile, send me a say my pedophile, yeah.
Bumbo clot. Better listen up Massacre than Wirebrain and Shane Skull. Not. Better listen up Clymaxx. Bumbo clot.
You want see style. Me go run the profile, send me a say my pedophile, yeah. You want see style. Pussy come a chat in my mic. I'll ride you for touch a little child poor.
Man, see you touch like a pitney. He man's no. Clymaxx say, I call her man. Well, why? Clymaxx say, yeah, Peter file. Me can't say that word upon YouTube. You know it, dog already. Clymaxx say, yeah, Peter file. Clymaxx say, you love that. Hey, yo.
Want see style. Pussy come a chat in my mic. I'll ride you for touch a little child poor. More say style. Make him a tick and sign. Gay guy, better you go one side. Say you want see style. Them are just a small fries. Yeah. What you for do, I get a youth. Show with something tailor made. I'm not talk about your jacket and suit. Blood.
Bumbo clot. The man say, when me call her man, stop. Not a man. Stop. Bumbo clot to me. She say, I because this song aggressive, you know. I may expect this from a man, you know. She bad, you know. She bad, you fucking, you know. I tell you, she bad, you know. She say, show me something tailor made. Show me something. She said, go and go get a youth. Show me something tailor made. And stop showing you like a jacket where you have bumbo clad.
For do I get a youth? Show with something tailor made. I'm not talk about your jacket and suit. Blood splash up and shoot. One in a special killing when him bob up. Shelly Fanny made her say she ready to go bubble like soup.
Come in a Farid.
When you have up Shelly on your head, I say she feel bubble like soup.
One in a special killing when him bob up. Shelly Fanny made her say she ready to go bubble like soup. Something like flu. Seek a sitting Lego the Binelli that a rapid and shoot. See me and not see me little freak, you know you really like views. Someone put your pan news. Nyam nongi wala I get and a migraine. Maggie left your marrow plaka like stew.
Fear song better than Shane Skull and Wirebrain song. I'm sorry. I'm just saying it. Clymaxx sang better than the two of them sang, bro. Cause she has said things with them not say.
Nyam nongi wala I get and a migraine Maggie left your marrow plaka like stew. Full of mind game prime time if you make 9 blaze. In town I say what a man fool genocide and a climax. Me we cause a massacre. Pussy me.
Genocide, what a climax. Me we cause a massacre. You don't hear what she say, bro? Genocide. Listen again, brother.
In town I say what a man fool genocide and a climax. Me we cause a massacre. Pussy me.
Genocide, what a climax. Me we cause a massacre. Yo, she a chopping up, bro. That's why you hear me earlier on. I say, yo, him I say, and I refer to Clymaxx. Cause she a chop, bro, like any other man them would I do, bro.
In town I say what a man fool genocide and a climax. Me we cause a massacre. Pussy make a chatter, you see what me can do. Why you feel so we vice stop for young Sam Smith like you. But the guy I was better try prove.
Why you feel so we vice song for young Sam Smith like you? Remember say Sam Smith a fish. So you must say, why we vice song for young fish like you? Pussy. How we you do? All them with blood in the real life. That's what she said. That's what she said to you, Devin.
You feel so we vice stop for young Sam Smith like you. But the guy I was better try prove. You think we never hear about it. He Grammy nomination never move mountain. Your body yet for see you coming looking through those pegs.
So you get Grammy, you get Grammy nomination because of your body activities. That's what she has said in a shot.
He Grammy nomination never move mountain. Your body yet for see you coming looking through those pegs. Who those men? Who knows them? Tired to tell you little youth all men. Fling shot in your mama.
Tired to tell you, little youth, all meds. You're not all no meds. You are medsless.
Who those men? Who knows them? Tired to tell you little youth all men. Fling shot in your mama when you're too close. Let's more your daddy when you have panta soup open.
Fling shot to your mother when now in mama. When her two closed legs. She a say mama fucky. But remember say the G-man are dead. You see me? Also kill your daddy when him have the soup pot open.
Fling shot in your mama when you're too close. Let's more your daddy when you have panta soup open. Every day me mother asks I make me choose those friends. Your body miss it tie up. How we are watch your weak side him so don't do it. Your dead mama the hell and she no pro G.
We are watching with signs, so don't do it. Your dead mama, they are hell, and she don't. Wait, no man. Yo! One never said no Clymaxx before.
How we are watch your weak side, him so don't do it. Your dead mama, the hell, and she no pro G. Your baby mother up a station, pan a slow week. A gaggles body, cocky pan a slow speed. Full of red, a cap make it slow speed.
Your baby mother there pan it up. Yo. The fuck I go on?
A station pan a slow week, a gaggles body, cocky pan a slow speed. Full of red, a cap make it slow speed. Countryman, now you no sleep, catch a drift. Send for the leather belt and give him pop low tight, how we no see.
Send for the leather belt. The belt come back into play again. Send for the leather belt and give him two tight. Blood clot. Why?
Countryman, now you no sleep, catch a drift. Send for the leather belt and give him pop low tight, how we no see your back a tone from poor while you with the whip. Would I really love to see your pretty dimple now your face, you take a sip, man.
We really love to see the pretty dimple in your face, take a sip. So she has said before that she said, from you get the beat in a town, we don't see a town again. A country there, I go cool off your lick then. She said, I'm going to tell you what she said now, Devin. Yes, I'm going to tell you what she said. She said, when you try run off, then throw some water in your back and wet it with the leather belt. Remember, say, running liquor, the hottest lick, you know. Then throw some water in your back and wet it with the leather belt. So from that, we don't see a town again. You're a fight town at all costs. Can you lick them not cool off you? 10 years later, you still
A regular, you swallow shelly piece. Never get a woman pricky like a me a gal a bitch. Church brother, na blood and no each we done a clip. Should the disabet for make your baby mother lick. Me keep the clock part in a card. Your name fuck mama, your visit tell him for wrap it up. No cause the war finish. You say such man a joker. You never hear them call me all the cream. Me tell the lad me beg him pardon. All me sins me I represent myself. Never you associate me with nobody else. Yeah, them say the dog that even want give me the strength. But me no need it and me name me a different. Me name.
So them must say the dog, them must say Massacre don't want to give her no strength, but she tell us, yo, she don't need it. Herself she a represent. And herself she a defend also, because I remember say a Devin refer to her. You see me? So it's on the right when she come defend herself the way how she know. Oh, because she's an artist, she bad.
Yeah, them say the dog that even want give me the strength. But me no need it and me name me a different. Me name me a different. More you know this naga end well. Call it soldier bridging and him suck pussy friend them. We are gonna meet.
This now go end well, so call your soldier bridging. Remember say I big up all heap of police in your song and soldier, you know. Call your soldier friend them and them suck pussy friend them too, yes.
Them to come pick up every spank shell. You see the war and we no more. Round with deng deng, you want see style.
You see the war, I run up about the deng deng deng. Ding deng deng. I Devin thought that already.
Pick up every spank shell. You see the war and we no more. Round with deng deng, you want see style. We go run the profile. Send me a say my pedophile. Yeah, you want see style. Pussy just a chatting in my Kyle. Ride him fit out a little child. Great and see style. Who make him out the time gay guy? Better you go one side, say you want see style. Them are just a small fry, just a small fries. Hey. Yo, put more. Oh, there's some gay guy. Oh, just I knew it. That's it.
Bobo clat. Yo, hold on the man. Hold on the man. This a fire. This blood clot your fire. Me not care what nobody wants to say in the comment section, you know. This your blood clot fire. Massacre, you need to have Clymaxx closer to you under your wing, me G. Cause she better than blood clot, she ain't skull and wire brain. Yeah, she better than the two of them, I say it. She better, lyrically better than the two of them, bro. She bad. She bad. She if you represent genocide. Yeah, me I tell you straight. Me I tell you straight. Devin, me know say you not gonna take this in, bro. Me know you not me know you're not gonna take this in, fam. Me know you're not gonna take this, bro. Me know. We are expect a reply from there. Yo, she chat some sitting. She chat a whole heap of sitting. A crocus bag of sitting. Yo. Hold on the man. Me I go end this, cause you know what me I go do right now? Me I go call Terradan right now. Me I call Terradan. Yo, look, cause him love war, you know, so me I wonder how him not react to this yet, you know. Me I go call him right now and see what I go on. Yo, I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section also. Alright? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, Rust gave the review your face, the dog. If face to your